super strong. Wow, this is super strong. Oh, okay, this is a new style drum pump, the new style siphon and drum pump together, because you siphon with the drum pump. This is a new idea. It's really great idea, because you know this is a siphon because the output is lower than the input, but they have a drum pump to support the water when the water is a little bit weak. So this drum is try to suck up from there and store the water inside here to fill in the pipe if the pipe is not enough water to pump to the output water. So this system is actually similar to the drum pump system, but a little bit different, because this connection is just fill in the water when the output water is not enough. It's like a reverse air come back to the intake water. So the drum pump is take the air inside and suck the water from there and fill in the water into the output water. So make sure this is the way that you fill in the water. You have two ways. One is output water and this is the intake. No, the intake. We have to input the water, fill in until full of the drum. So okay, so we're going to see how strong is this system. So we're going to see at the output water. So I hope this will be very great idea. See, this is super strong. Super strong. Even I take this tiger a little bit, the water is still coming because they have the support water in the drum. So this is the higher than intake water. This is when I move like this, the water is higher than the intake water, but we have the support water in the drum, so it's still coming. So it's never in. The drum is trying to suck from intake water. Okay, as you can see, it's still coming. Super strong. Okay. So as you can see, at the every you know why we wrap this every connection pipe? We wrap this plastic with a rubber, because we don't use this for a long time. We use when the water is enough at the right farm, so we just remove it easily and take it to keep at our house, at home. It's easy. So we don't use the glue, because the glue can, you know, we cannot remove it easy. It have to cut it. So I hope you understand why we wrap like this. Okay, so I hope you understand about this review, and you can do it at home by yourself. If you want to try to do, you can just see this system, see this process, and then just try it at home. You can do it to save our energy, to save our electricity, save our planet. So okay, that's all for my review today for the siphon system plus drum pump support the water, and hope you enjoy with this tutorial. And feel free to subscribe if you want to see more video about free energy water pump and free energy electricity. Bye, see you again with the next video.